Hi everyone, in today's video we are creating a coming soon page which creates a hype even before you launch a website. So while you are working on a website behind the scenes, it will helpful to give you a head start for your marketing. So let me show you the mockup. This is something we are trying to achieve. So as you can see here we have some design element. We have a countdown timer, so we are showing how much time left to launch a website of product or services. Here we have one call to action, so whenever a visitor comes to the this page and clicks on it, it will open this form here. So here we are collecting visitors data. So this way, even before you launch a website, it kind of pre-sell or pre-order for your product and services. So let's see how to achieve this. If you break down the mockup, you will see we will need some UI elements. We need a countdown timer. We need a pop-up functionality. We need a form as well. So such things comes with Elementor Pro version, but right now we are using a free version of it. So we will need additional help. So how to achieve that? For that you need to use various plugins. So if you navigate into your WordPress dashboard, you go into the plugin section, you will find these things. Now, what is a plugin? Plugin is an additional code for your website which adds new features to your website without your need for writing a custom code. But you will find lots of option in the market. So when you go into the plugin and click on add a new plugin, in the marketplace you will find lots of option for plugins, free and paid both. But please note, if you use too many plugins, it might slow down your website. So only use required one and choose trusted, updated with good reviews only. Let's build up a page now. So I'm taking one container, adding a background. I want this container to be a full height. So let's set its viewport 100. Okay, in layout background should be centered. Okay. Let's start adding a element. So first is our static image. I want my content should be centered vertically and horizontally. So in the parent container, I will set the position set. For a countdown timer, I will use plugin. So let's navigate to the dashboard, plugin, add new plugin. Let's search for a countdown timer. Here you will find lots of options to try. We are going with this for now. Countdown timer for Elementor. I have installed and make it active. Now we are in the page editor. We have chosen a plugin which is specially designed for Elementor, so you can find it here. But sometimes some other widget might not be loading with this default widgets, so you can include it within a text editor. So it depends on plugin how it is designed. So I'm dragging and dropping this. Okay, all this setting, all this option you are finding on the left panel, it is designed to this plugin. So if you are using another one, then it might be little bit here and there you have to fix. So here you can fix due date, etc. Let's put up some style. Our basic page has been set. We have all UI elements, and now we need to add a functionality of pop-up with a form. So on click of this button, we need to call a lightbox with a form. So for that, I'm going back to plugin section and adding a new plugin for a pop-up. So for a pop-up, I'm choosing this plugin, installing and activating. After activation, you will find a pop-up section on the left menu. So you can create a new pop-up. So here I'm creating a launch website. In the content area, we need to show a form here. Okay. So we are publishing this. Now once you publish your pop-up, and if you go to a list, this pop-up plugin works on CSS class. It means whenever you want to trigger a lightbox, you need to choose its CSS class. So this is our pop-up. So it is connected with this class. So we need to copy this, and on click of this element, we need to call it. So we will select this element, and in advance we will add that CSS class. Now let's see the result. On click of that light box is opening. Now we want a little bit styling. So we are editing that pop-up. Here you find a different theme. We want it center. We want center align. So we will select this. For appearance, we are adding as a light box. Here you can select the size. These options are not common for each and every plugin. You need to define whatever you are choosing. So let's keep it small for now. You can also customize close button, etc. Okay. So now this is something we are very close to our design. So now we want to show form here. To show a form, I'm choosing WP Form Slide plugin. So you will find, after activating, you will find its section here. Here you can create your form. So let's add a new form. We are taking newsletter sign up. Currently this is fine. We want to see the output only. So let's keep it as it is. To utilize this form, a plugin gives us short code. So I'm copying this newsletter sign up short code, and we want to show it in our pop-up. So I'm going back to our pop-up code. And I'm adding that short code here. Okay, we don't want to show the title. Now let's see the result. Okay, done. So this is how we can add various features, various functionality to website with the usage of plugins. Now with this pop-up form data, you can set up email automation. There are many tools, many CRM available like HubSpot, MailChimp, ConvertKit. You will find lots of option, but that will be a further requirements and settings and coding. For today, this is it. If you have liked watching, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.